Hi kids, how are you today? I want to show you how you can do some Kidzrock stuff right at home. I brought my favorite stuffy today. All you need is your lap. This is how we play a beat. Can you do this? Good stuff. Can you go fast? Keep your beat steady. How about going slowly? Very good. Keeping a beat is pretty easy. Do you have a drum at home? Go get it now. You can keep a beat on a drum, just like this. You can use one hand. You can do two hands. You can do three hands. Just joking. All right, so there's our beat. Now, let's talk about rhythm. Rhythm is a little bit different than beat. The rhythm is what lives inside the beat. What does that mean? Well, I'll give you an example. Here's my beat. While I keep this beat, I'm going to play a rhythm on my drum. Here's my rhythm. Slow, slow, faster, slow. That's pretty tricky to do. Do you recognize that rhythm? Try it yourself. Slow, slow, faster, slow, 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 faster, slow. Excellent. See you later.